Yeah, OSD release notes. There's three components of what's happened to OSD. There are three PowerShell modules. OSD is the original, the OG. That's the OSDCloud V1. There's the new OSDCloud PowerShell module, and then there's an OS Deploy PowerShell module, which is in preview, which is what builds the boot images. So the updates for June. Just recently, all three modules have been updated within the last 2 days. The OSD PowerShell module gets the latest Windows 11 25H2. I believe that was stuck on September of last year. What's changed is it's using the new V2 catalogs now. So those have been updated. So we have parity there with OSDCloud V1 and V2. For the OSDCloud PowerShell module, couple minor changes, some changes in the background that are being withheld till next month. But the major changes would be when WinPE Startup has a drive letter remap, so it frees up the C or D drive. And driver pack catalogs, they auto update. That flow has been improved. Finally, the OS Deploy PowerShell module, which is a preview module in the PowerShell gallery, the hydration workflow has been updated. And a planned full release to take it out of preview will be at OSD Day next month. Fabian, I think that's the 24th.
Yep, July 24th. Here in the Microsoft Technology Center in Edina, Minnesota. So if you are local, feel free to stop by.
So next two slides, I've got a couple of screenshots to somewhat explain. This is the new WinPE Startup, which is part of the OSDCloud PowerShell module, and you can see fourth and fifth line and the USB drive letters have been remapped so they don't interfere when the disk is partitioned. And then the next slide. So I'm sorry, go back one slide. The OS Deploy PowerShell module, the preview module, is what builds this boot image. And you can see it fully supports OSDCloud V1 and the new OSDCloud. So hopefully we'll get some webinars together for the community to understand how to build boot images that are compatible with both. Next slide. And this is the OSDCloud, the driver update handling. If you look, it might be hard to tell in the screenshot, but towards the bottom of the PowerShell window in white, it's actually gray, but it looks white here. We can see above that flow, it's downloading the updated driver pack catalog from HP for this device. And we can see it is actually using new drivers from June 22nd, a new driver pack catalog. So this is the auto update mechanism in the catalog, which starts up before the GUI is launched. And so this is what makes sure that HP and Dell Surface devices and Lenovo all have the latest driver packs when you're deploying using OSDCloud. And I think this is a fantastic change to dynamically pull these updates. So anyway, thanks for using OSDCloud and thanks for having me a part of this release show.